Hi, my loves. Welcome to this guided meditation for positive subconscious reprogramming. Today, we will embark on a journey to realign your inner thoughts, reframe your beliefs, and step into the powerful creator that you truly are. Find a quiet space, settle into a comfortable position, and let's begin. Start by closing your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale slowly for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat this 2 more times, and with each exhale, imagine your breath creating ripples in the vast universe around you. As you breathe, picture yourself surrounded by a field of shimmering stardust. Each particle sparkles with infinite potential, gently wrapping around you like a cosmic hug. This is your space, limitless, safe, and charged with possibility. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine yourself standing in the center of a vibrant nebula, its colors swirling and shifting. The nebula represents the energy of your subconscious mind, teeming with creativity and possibility. Within your hand, you hold a small crystal. This crystal is a container for the beliefs you want to grow. Gently place the crystal into the nebula and watch as it begins to pulse with light, syncing with the rhythm of your heart. As it glows brighter, whisper to yourself the affirmations that align with the life you want to create. Repeat after me, either out loud or in your thoughts. I am worthy of love and success. I am resilient, strong, and capable. I attract opportunities that align with my highest good. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. Feel the energy of these words expanding outward, illuminating the entire nebula. Now let's focus on releasing what no longer serves you. Visualize tiny dark specks floating in the nebula. These represent outdated beliefs and patterns. As the light from your crystal grows stronger, it begins to dissolve these specks into radiant sparks, sending them back to the universe for transformation. Say to yourself, I release the belief that I am not enough. I let go of fear and doubt. I free myself from the need to compare. Watch as the nebula becomes clearer and brighter, its energy pure and ready for new growth. Take a moment now to feel gratitude for this practice and for yourself. Picture a shooting star streaking across your galaxy, carrying your gratitude out into the universe. Place your hand over your heart and say, "Thank you, subconscious mind, for being open and receptive. Thank you, universe, for supporting my growth. Thank you," now say your name, "for showing up for yourself today." Feel this gratitude resonate through your entire being, creating waves of warmth and joy. It's time to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Picture yourself gently landing back on earth, grounded and refreshed. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to care for your mind and soul. Remember, the seeds you've planted today will grow with consistent care and intention. Sending you love and light. See you in the next video. Bye, my loves.